Hi guys, I'm Johnny Knoxville, it's neighborhood jackass.
Steve-O.
Oh! It went off early.
Wait, that might not have been it.
Yeah, it has been. Dude.
Put another one in there.
Yeah, see it?
Put another one in there. No, we need more.
Dang, hold on, get another one, hurry up. We gotta get this on video.
Where is it?
Yeah, that had to have been. Yeah, see, look.
Yeah, that's it.
Drag it out real quick, drag it out. Hurry up. Hurry up, get another one.
Get it.
Give it here, let me shake it. Alright, this is Bam, Margera,
Chris.
Dave, Johnny.
Oh, wait.
Alright, here we go. This is number take 2. See if I can catch it this time on the video. Cover it.
You suck.
What the hell?
Hey, I forgot my drink. Oh, it's in my pocket.
That's my drink.
Watch, this ain't gonna hurt.
It got quiet.
Let's go. Hey, somebody go poke it.
Nah.
I got a long stick, huh? Shut up. Oh, I dropped it. You're long stick.
Oh, y'all, I think it's a serious risk. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty covered in there.
Log first.
Cody might want to run.
Nah, I don't want to sit me. I'm fine. No, I really did the first time. Almost hit me.
Yeah, it almost killed him. Steve-O, you're lucky to be alive.
Hey, you want the bomb shield?
No, I'm good.
What's the bomb?
What bomb shield?
It's a piece of tin. Stole from Mexicans. Oh, now that ain't gonna do it. Oh,
Yeah, now it's gonna mess up. And of course, it goes on the first one. We're not even ready.
We heard it.
Yeah, it hurt.
Wait, y'all get the bucket.
Yeah, get some more straw real
Where's the
quick.
bucket?
It's like I woke up.
Here.
It's like, fuck you, trash.
Hey, you got it?
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Alright, don't let Fluffy in.
Yeah, she'll try to eat it and blow up. Throw some on there, Bam.
Where's that?
Right there in the middle. There you go. I'm afraid to put my foot in there to pack it down.
Okay,
Oh yeah, it's getting you.
Cody, probably y'all back up
Everybody get the hole.
about 2 feet. I'm good right here, behind the tent. Let's blow.
Wait, are these red Coke cans?
Yeah.
Get
Oh,
back,
yeah.
Cody. Cody, you don't get hurt. Get back.
I'm fine. Quit using my real name, dude. It's Johnny.
Sorry,
Wait, my chair.
Sorry, Johnny. Chris, you have a dumbass.
Cody, who the hell's Cody, man?
That's a dude down the street.
Yeah, I think it is him.
South Park.
Yeah.
I must have mistaken.
Stupid.
Yeah. Yeah,
He's
just
stupid,
like,
y'all.
yeah, just like Marty McFly looks like Michael J. Fox.
Oh, I thought you were in the tent for a second.
Luke Skywalker looks like Mark Hamill.
Not working.
I don't like the suspense, man.
Hey, Kyle, you're too.
Fucking blow up!
Hey, Kyle, jump in there so it makes some more flame.
Fuck you!
Touched it. Hold on, watch out.
I'm gonna laugh. Fuck you! Fuck you!
I moved it.
Move.
Don't poke it. Oh shit.
Like a golf and Harry Potter. Got the eye that moves.
Oh yeah, I think it's about to blow now.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, watch your chair.
Fucker. I'm gonna be looking at it like.
Well, it's about to blow.
I hope.
Fuck up! Ah, shit.
Dude, I hope this doesn't shoot off like a rocket like the last one.
I would move.
Yeah.
Either way, I'm standing in a safe place.
No, if it does it the same as that one, then it's going straight in the tent.
It's just gonna either go that way or that way. So I'm safe. It's safe.
Actually, no, it's
Go
actually
get it.
Shit, don't do that.
Well, actually, Cody is pointing that way, so most likely it's gonna go that way. The opening is pointing that way.
Dave, you're gonna get your foot blown off. I'm gonna laugh.
Hey, I got a stick. Can I poke it?
Yeah.
I got this, guys.
Go,
It's
Steve.
not working, dude.
Go, Steve.
No, don't.
Go, Steve.
Don't. Because then it's just gonna bust and shoot it everywhere.
This side, cool.
Hey, where's it at?
In the middle, on the other side of that log.
Oh, shit.
Oh, dang. Oh. I told you not to poke it, man.
God damn,
I didn't poke it. I
Me.
just tracked it.
All right.
Okay, let's see if you got it.
Neighborhood
Bam.
jackass, bam.
burning, Chris!
Wait, where's it at?
Steve-O. It's over there on this side. Steve-O.
Right here.
Steve-O.
Boom,
Put
yeah.
it back in there and see if it pops again.
And Johnny. First one was a pretty good one. Second one's failed. See you later.
This is the third one. Wait.
This is the second one tonight.
So awesome.
All right, see ya.